Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the buy and large most recent 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. The EMA 50 in a real sense is right now at $0.007. Which especially is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is drifting at $87,003,429, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy truly has its truly next opposition at $0.006, which in a real sense is very huge. 13 July 2023. In this article we will for the most part walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually, for the most part clarified some pressing issues, facts. What essentially is extremely momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Truly is Jasmy a wise interest in a by and large significant manner? Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on. So 13 July 2023. In this article, we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week and by and large attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified some things, facts. What especially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? In a real sense is Jasmy a fundamentally wise venture? Which in a real sense is very critical, be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416. Or so they most certainly thought. The sort of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $31,315,169,849 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%. Or so they sort of thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Jasmy really has its in every practical sense next opposition at $0.006 in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, showing that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which generally is very critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents incredibly. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, or so they generally thought. These occasions fundamentally show that the market essentially is going in a sort of descending course, for certainly transient in a significant manner. As of now and in every practical sense, general commonly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. By and large further appearance, how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, showing that Jasmy explicitly has its certainly next obstruction at $0.006. Or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, essentially further appearance. How 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin really is drifting at $87,003,429, which for the most part is very critical. Support generally is a level at which purchasers for the most part become certainly more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they fundamentally thought. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors truly become move sort of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every way that really matters, shows that Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours amazingly. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. In every practical sense, current Jasmy coin cost for the most part is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the sort of beyond 24 hours, showing how 13 July 2023. In this article we will in a real sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, certainly is Jasmy a genuinely wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. At present, Jasmy truly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Jasmy truly has its most certainly next opposition at $0.006, or so they explicitly thought. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 13 July 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, sort of made sense of underneath, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin for the most part is drifting at $87,003,429, which basically is very huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving really normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to explicitly break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, which in a real sense is very huge. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is drifting at $87,003,429, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to, in every practical sense, sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day graph, so these occasions essentially show that the market really is going in and in every way that really matters, descending bearing for in every practical sense, momentary in a truly significant way. The truly relative strength file. RSI for Jasmy coin fundamentally is right now floating at 19 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which certainly implies Jasmy by and large is an oversold zone and a pattern kind of inversion especially is conceivable, which in a real sense shows that the really relative strength record, RSI for Jasmy coin by and large,